Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Dodge, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell to notification so every time I have new videos, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2019 Charger 5.7, the RT model. So right now the problem is with the trunk not opening. So I'm going to show you the code. This is on BCM. You can see on BCM it has a code for the trunk. So that's the trunk latch actuator. Now the other code, I don't care. I fixed the low beam headlight on the left side already. The customer concern is just to get the trunk to open and close. So right now, I'm gonna show you on the data of the trunk latch. Let me try. Functional test. So I'm gonna show you the data on here when I try to use the key and the trunk button on the side here. So the trunk would not open at all. So I'm gonna scroll down. So I don't know why they call it Tatchum. It's kind of stupid, but that's for the trunk right there. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna scroll down to trunk. Scroll down, driver.
Take the Ram ProMaster.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna bring you some sheets.
Okay, no problem.
Where is it parked?
Scroll down. There you go. You can see how it says close right now. So I'm gonna try to press the switch, the key right here. I'm gonna press it 2 times. 2 times. 1, 2. 1, 2. Trunk does not open at all. 1, 2. So I'm gonna press the switch on the side here. I'm gonna press the switch. So I'm gonna press it. Nothing. No response at all. And I'm gonna scroll down. I believe that's for the switch. And there's one more data at the bottom of this one. So I'm gonna go, where is it? Trunk lift gate. You see, I'm gonna try this 2 times. Doesn't work. Press it on the switch. Press and hold. Nothing at all. You can see the trunk latch is completely dead. Now I'm gonna try it from the outside. So right now I have the key on. I'm gonna try it from the button right here. Press and hold it. Nothing. Press and hold. Nothing. Try it again. Nothing. So if your trunk ever gets stuck, pull this latch, not this latch, the wire right here, the cable or whatever, go all the way to the back of the trunk. Ugh. There's a safety right here, and pull it. There you go, it opened. This is my new trunk latch, OEM from Mopar. So this is original. This is the part number right here. That's the part number, and it costs you $100 for the trunk latch assembly here. You can see this is exactly how it looks like. Now to take out the trunk latch, you're gonna take out this little cover right here. So it sits right here like this. Take out the 2 Torx bolt right here, and then you're gonna pry out the clip on the cover, and then after that you can pull this down, and then there's one connector here for the trunk latch. I disconnected the connector right here. I'm gonna take out the 2 10mm. There you go. There you go. It's the exact same thing, but this one is bad, completely dead. So when I press the key and the switch, it doesn't send a signal back to the body control module, so that's why the trunk stays shut. So the body control module send the power down, but it doesn't send a signal back to the body control module. That's why the trunk stay closed. So I'm gonna put in my new one here. I got my new trunk latch in already. Make sure you guys don't forget your ground right here. Since you're here, check out the latch connector. Check the pin inside and make sure it's not broken or damaged or corroded. Check the wires in the back. Make sure it's not ripped or broken. This one's good. Just go ahead and plug it back. There you go. Now I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna close it. Let me try it with the key. Press it 2 times. There you go. You can see it's working now. Before it did not want to work. Let me try it with the button. I might have to turn on the car. Oh, never mind. There you go. It works. Now I'm gonna key on the car one more time. So it's key on. So I'm gonna press the switch right here. Pressing. There you go. That's it. Problem solved, guys. Just a trunk latch. That's bad. Now you can put everything back. I'm gonna put the cover back and my clip and then the inner handle. So whenever your trunk doesn't want to open, so you're gonna lower the inside seat. You're gonna pull the strap, lower the seat, and then that's how you get to the inside of the trunk. Now I have the key on. I'm gonna show you the code one more time right there. That's the code for the trunk latch. Now I'm just gonna clear the code and I'm gonna check it one more time. Come on. Alright guys, I was having issue with the other scanner, with my snap-on scanner. I had to use my tail to clear it. I had to clear the body control codes and all that. But I'm going to show you again one more time on the trunk so everything is working again. So I'm going to press the switch in the trunk. So you see, I'm going to press it. I'm going to press the button right here. There you go. That's it. I'm going to try with the key. I'm gonna try with the button on the trunk. There you go. So before the key, the trunk button doesn't work, and the switch in the front on the driver's side doesn't work either. So the problem is with the trunk latch going bad, doesn't work at all. But that is it to this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.